Addition of similar fractions. How to add similar fractions? So in adding similar fraction, let's first check the fractions if they have the same denominator. So kapag sinabi nating similar, dapat ang denominator nila ay parehas. Sa mga example natin dito sa number 1, we have 7 and 7 for the denominator. Number 2, we have 5 and 5. And number 3, we have 12 and 12. So lahat sila ay pare-parehas ang denominator. So the first step is to copy first the denominator. Let's start with number 1. The denominator is 7. So kopyahin lang natin yung denominator. Ilagay natin sa ilalim ng fraction bar natin, which is 7. Then the second step is to add the numerator. We have 5 plus 1, that is 6 over 7. Now let's check what kind of fraction is the answer. So 6 over 7 is a proper fraction. So hindi natin siya gagawin ng mixed number fraction because it is now in proper fraction. Now check the fraction if it is in lowest term. So 6 and 7, the greatest common factor is 1. So 6 and 7 is now in the lowest term. Now let's proceed to number 2. We have the denominator is 5. So the first step, copy the denominator, which is 5. And then add the numerator. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now let's check again what kind of fraction is 5 over 5. 5 over 5 is an improper fraction. Kapag nakita tayo ng ganitong fraction, parehas ang numerator at denominator, the answer is always equal to 1. So our final answer is 1. Let's proceed to number 3. We have 8 over 12 plus 9 over 12. So first, copy the denominator, which is 12. Then add the numerator. 8 plus 9 equals 17. Ngayon, kung mapapansin natin, ang ating numerator ay mas mataas kaysa sa denominator. So, this is an improper fraction. So, we need to convert this fraction into mixed number fraction to simplify the answer. So, to change that to mixed number fraction, divide natin ang 17 sa 12. So, let's start. 17 divided by 12. So, how many 12 can fit in 17? We have 1. 1 times 12, that is 12. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 1 minus 1 equals 0. So our whole number here is 1. So that is equals to 1. And our numerator is 5. Lagay natin dito yung 5. And our denominator is 12. Now let's check again our answer. 5 over 12. Naka-lowest term na siya because the greatest common factor of 5 and 12 is 1. So our answer for number 1 is 6 over 7. Our answer for number 2 is 1. And our answer for number 3 is 1 and 5 over 12. Now let's practice. We have 3 items to answer. Number 1 is 3 over 8 plus 2 over 8. Number 2 is 20 over 50 plus 30 over 50. And number 3, 35 over 70 plus 40 over 70. Okay, let's answer our practice questions. So, tingnan natin kung tama ang inyong mga sagot. For number 1, we have 3/8 plus 2 over 8. So, the first rule is copy the denominator, which is 8. Then 3 plus 2 equals 5 over 8. Number 2 is 20 over 50 plus 30 over 50. That is 50 over 50. Since this is an improper fraction and they have same numerator and denominator, the answer is 1. Number 3, we have 35 over 70 and 40 over 70. First, copy the denominator, which is 70. And 35 and 40, that is 75. So we have 75 over 70. Okay, so this is an improper fraction, so we need to convert this to mixed number fraction. At pwede pa natin siyang i-lowest term, no? We can divide it by 5 to get the lowest term and then proceed to changing it to mixed number fractions. So let's divide it by 5, divided by 5 and divided by 5. That will be equal to, so 75 divided by 5, what will be our answer? Okay, 75 divided by 5 is 15. And 70 divided by 5, 70 divided by 5 is 14. So that is 15 over 14. Improper fraction, we need to divide 15 by 14. So 15 divided by 14, we have 1 times 14. So our final answer is 1 and 1 over 14. So for number 3, our answer is 1 and 1 over 14. For number 2 is 1 and number 1 is 5 over 8. Now let's have more practice in addition of similar fractions. So we have number 1, 1 over 8 plus 1 over 8. Number 2, 2 over 9 plus 2 over 9. And number 3, 12 over 6 plus 10 over 6. So you must simplify your answer or get the lowest term of your final answer. You have 2 minutes to answer. Now let's reveal the correct answer for more practice. For number 1, we have the denominator which is 8. So let's write 8. And then add the numerator, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Our fraction is 2 over 8. So we can get the lowest term of 2 over 8. The greatest common factor for 2 and 8 is 2. So we will divide both numerators and denominators by 2. Divided by 2 is equals to 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So our final answer is 1/4. Number 2, copy the denominator, 9. Add the two numerators, 2 and 2, that is 4. Okay, 4 over 9. 4 over 9, the greatest common factor of 4 and 9 is 1. So this is now our final answer. Let's proceed to number 3. Copy the denominator, 6. And add the numerator, 12 plus 10, that is 22. 22 over 6 is improper fraction. We can change that to mixed number fraction by dividing 22 and 6. So let's first divide 22 divided by 6. Okay, how many 6 can fit in 22? We have 3. So 3 times 6, that is 18. Then let's subtract 22 from 18. Borrow from 2. We have 12 minus 8, that is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. So our fraction is 3 is the whole number and 4 over 6. Now, our fraction is 4 over 6. We can get the lowest term of 4 over 6 by dividing it to its greatest common factor, which is 2. So, divide natin ang 4 over 6. So, 4 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2. Lagyan natin sa ilalim. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, our final answer is 3 and 2/3. Okay? So, if you got the correct answer for 1, 2, and 3, good job.